Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something that happened to me earlier in the week while I was driving the bucket truck to the job site. Earlier this week I had this hose bust right here. It goes to the power steering, so it busted right here, blew it out real bad. And anyway, that's the oddball fitting. I tell you, if you're dealing with any equipment or hydraulics or whatever, you'll run into this every once in a while. And as equipment gets older, you'll run into it a lot. So what we did was reclaimed the middle part of the fitting, and we took a whiz wheel, cut it on both sides of it, and reclamped a sleeve on there to reclaim that fitting. And also you know, we put up a GIC fitting on this end. You always don't have to go and buy a brand new fitting. You can actually reclaim it. And I didn't know that till just probably a year or two ago. And I worked in a hydraulic shop until I started my hydraulic business, and now, you know, I've did that a lot. I just didn't have it takes a specialty crimper to do this, other than the one I got. This hose cost me $27 to make this hose, which was a heck of a deal. Chisel. Yep. That should come off. So do you want it just enough? How do you know?
Just enough. You don't know. You just do it till it goes in there. Do a little, do a little, do a little.
I know, but like, what do you look for? Like,
Gotta go over that. See that right there?
Yeah.
Just gotta go over and past it to that.
That's it. It
right
don't matter
there.
how wobbly it is after it comes over the lip.
Nah, it's not that big a deal. It's one. $35.
Is that half?
Yeah.
That's a different type of hose right there.
Yeah. Just getting in what we can these days.
Are they having a tough time on shipments?
Yeah, 1/4 inch. The way Don said she's got 1,000 foot, 1/4 inch back order. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Get on sometimes too. So you always that.
He had this in a fitting, and he said just crimp it. I said I don't have the way of doing
Oh,
it.
I got you. Well, I don't remember him coming in. Matthew was down here.
It went on like a charm right there.
It's up there.
Custom.